Hi guys, today I want to show you what's inside this laptop charger that I have opened because I will use it somewhere else as a power supply unit. Let me open up because I have pre-opened it. You can see all those elements inside. Two transformers, one can be the coil ballast because it's always companion with this capacitor. Is a 400 volt 120 microfarad capacitor, so it's good for your projects. You can see those bipolar capacitors here, 470 nanofarad, 400 volts. You can see here you can scrap those transistors that can be diodes, and one of them here is transistor. Those are rectifiers, fast recovery rectifiers that are used for this here. This is the output and this here is the input. Well guys, my neighbor is smoking weed, so is entering in my room and is disgusting because I don't use drugs. It's bad for your health, so I don't suggest even you to use drugs. I have reported in the police, even in medical department, but they haven't arrested yet because he collaborates with them. He is like a mini spy for them. He spies my movements to show them what I'm doing and where I'm going. He always sniff on me, and they give him weed to smoke and to enter into my room in purpose to damage me because I don't want is near me, is so close. He walk into my window and smoke weed to damage my lungs and brain because I don't smoke marijuana or cannabis sativa. Well, let me stay here. You can see, you can scrap a lot of parts. You can see diodes here, mini capacitors, electrolytic capacitors, bunch of them, thermistor, optocouplers, etc. Have a nice day guys.